Hello guys, kind of excited. We're middle of working ground for 2025 and our good friend Sean here with SoilWarrior brought us a new toy, the Edge, which we really love the seed bed that this thing gives us, and we were kind of asking if you guys could bring us up one without a cart because we don't run dry fertilizer, and lo and behold, look at this baby that we got. Can you kind of tell us about this thing?
SoilWarrior's been in business for 20 years now, and for many years we were focusing on our strip tillage equipment on having a complete fertilizer system because that's what a lot of guys were in need of. Your needs are a little bit different here with the turkey litter that you're putting down. You wanted to focus strictly on the strip that we're creating. So for the last few years we've come out with the Edge system. This is going to be a 3-point mounted toolbar. It's going to be running the Edge row unit that can be set up with shanks or the triple coulter configuration that we've got a lot of history with over the last 20 years.
Everybody farms different, but in our consulting group, we tell guys if we lived on flat ground, the only tool I would run would be a strip till bar. The strips are the nicest seed bed that we've ever planted into.
Well, you understand that the key to a good corn crop is to get it started properly. You've got to have the even emergence, and that's what we're trying to create here. The Edge row unit with those 3 coulters gives you the ability to cut up the residue that's there, incorporate any of your fertilizer that's been spread across the field, and give you a seed bed that's going to be second to none.
Couldn't say that better. What I like to see is we don't have a cart we're pulling. We're in the southern part of Indiana, we don't have a whole lot of 100-acre fields. I'm just excited about the maneuverability of it.
So as this thing's rolling through the field, the first step is going to be these row cleaners up front. We've got an air-actuated air cylinder on there that's going to be able to raise and lower those row cleaners. Gives us the ability to push down very aggressively if we want to be cleaning a lot of residue. After that, we've got our 3 tillage coulters right here that are going to be doing that aggressive strip creation where it gives you that 8 to 10 inches wide, 5 to 6 inches deep where everything's mixed together. There's a lot of shanks that have been used in the industry, and that's something that we can offer on this. But a lot of times what we're seeing is these coulters do a nice job of mixing and incorporating everything. And that's a little different than a lot of the other competitors are doing because it takes more engineering, more technology to be able to effectively use those coulters. So we put a lot of steel into this.
Yeah, it's definitely well built. Couldn't believe it.
So this machine right here is going to be set up just for tillage. But if we wanted to add fertilizer to this, we could set this up to do that.
Just hook up a pull-behind tank and good to go.
We built the Edge row unit so that you're not chasing it around with a grease gun every day. All of these pivots are going to have a special poly bushing that's inside of there that requires no maintenance. So the only 2 grease zerks that this whole row unit has are going to be up here for the row cleaner. Other than that, it's ready to go for you.
Well, Sean, I appreciate it. This tool is amazing. Super excited to run next spring.
And when you do head to the field next year, we're going to be here to make sure everything's set correctly. That's something we take a lot of pride in at SoilWarrior.
We've been with you guys 4 or 5 years. It's been fantastic.
We appreciate that.